Hello and welcome to Gaming Room. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out the news or notifications on the game Matchmasters. So let's go ahead and start the video now. Open the game Matchmasters on your phone. After you do this, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on the three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. After you do that, you can see news. Go ahead and tap on news and you can see all of the notifications and news which are here for you. You can also check out the videos presented to you, and if you go to the news section, you can see some amazing free gifts. You can just go ahead and tap on claim now, and as soon as you tap on it, you can just go ahead and click on get started and you will be getting exciting prizes. So this is how easy it is to check out the news and notifications on the game Matchmasters. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.